If your Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus screen color is not showing like normal, maybe it's showing a little bit of grayscale, a little bit of darker, the actual color isn't showing up anymore, well, don't worry. Let's go ahead and see how it can fix this problem. Now, since there is no definite way to solve, there can be multiple reasons behind this. So we're gonna start with open up settings, then go to display, and first make sure eye comfort shield option is turned off. Now if your screen is still not showing normal color, next what you can do is from settings again, now enter modes and routines to sleep. Now if your device is on sleep mode, just go ahead and tap on this turn off button. And then what you need to check is scroll down in this section and in other actions, if grayscale is supposed to be turned on when your device is on sleep mode, just go ahead, unselect this option from the list and then press done. Now after that, even if your device is on sleep mode, this will not turn into, the color will not disable. Now if you're still not satisfied with the way your screen color is showing, next, I recommend you to go to settings and now we're gonna go to accessibility. From there to vision enhancement. Now for all the time, make sure color inversion option is turned off and then open up color correction and make sure it's turned off. Now in most cases, the problem will be solved. Now in case if you have customized a lot of settings and now you just want to go back to the default settings, there is a way. For that, we're going to just reset all settings on our device. So from settings, once again, simply search for reset. To reset all settings, enter the option. This will not delete any personal data, will reset some customized settings along with your Wi-Fi password. If you're okay with that, tap on reset settings and then reset once again. After reset all settings, your device will restart once again and hopefully your S25 is now showing normal color in its screen. Thank you for watching.